It takes a lot of energy to build a building, to construct the building. Most of that energy is used to construct the building materials. Well, by building in wood, we store a huge amount of carbon in the wood, and the carbon stored in that wood can offset the carbon emissions from the manufacture of all the other building materials. We can end up with a carbon neutral building structure. If we want to make a low energy building, we can start with wood. This is a timber column, a large timber column. This has got the same strength as a concrete column of the same size. When we take wood from a log and we peel it into thin layers and we glue them back together like this, we get an engineering material of very predictable strength and stiffness. This is a 3-story building. It's a massive structure. It weighs hundreds of tons, and when an earthquake comes, there's got to be something to control the rocking of the building. And in this building, we're using structural walls of solid timber. These bars are part of the lateral load resisting system, and so that when a big earthquake comes, these bars are anchoring the whole of the timber wall system down into the foundations, so that if there's a severe wind or a severe earthquake, the main structure of the building will be undamaged. If there was an uncontrolled fire in this building, this column would not collapse. Why does it have good fire resistance? It's because it chars from the outside, and it chars at about 40 millimeters an hour. So after an hour, this column would hardly have lost any load-bearing capacity. And so we've got a homegrown product which is just as good as any steel or concrete building anywhere in the world.